My Silver Award project addressed the mental health of new mothers and their babies. My project involved creating and sewing pairs of scent-bonding fabric hearts that are given to new parents of babies in the NICU. When new parents and their babies are separated from each other in the NICU, it causes feelings of stress, anxiety, and isolation for both of them when they can't physically be there for each other. These fabric hearts help mothers and their new babies feel connected, comfortable, and less stressed by sharing their scents. Each set of hearts includes one for the mother and one for the baby to help them establish an early bond. The fabric heart for the mother absorbs the mother's scent after they have worn them against their skin for a period of time. Their scent heart is then placed in the baby's isolette in the NICU to help comfort their baby when they are away or unable to hold them. These hearts with their mother's scent help to make the babies feel less stressed, comforted, and helps reduce the baby's heart rate and anxiety. The other heart is placed in the baby's isolette to absorb their scent, and then it's given to the mother, which brings a sense of calm when they feel overwhelmed. First, I went to the fabric store and selected baby boy, baby girl, and gender-neutral flannel fabrics for my hearts. I washed and dried all of the fabric in fragrance-free, gentle detergent prior to creating. I printed out a heart template I found online. The heart shape shouldn't be any larger than 7.5 inches, but check with your NICU if they have any size requirements. I cut out the heart template and traced it onto cardboard to make a sturdier template and cut that out. My favorite template was found at www.dbth.nhs.uk, but there are many more heart templates that can be found if you Google bonding heart templates. I cut a 7 by 7.5 inch rectangle out of cardboard and used it as my template to trace onto the back side of the fabric to make fabric rectangles. You don't have to do this step, but it was easier for me to cut yards of fabric. I used a rotary cutter to cut out all of the fabric rectangles. I then traced the hearts onto the back side of some of the fabric rectangles, but not all of them. Next, I paired up fabrics having only one that had a traced heart on it and stacked the two fabric pieces facing inwards or towards each other. I paired up baby boy prints and baby girl prints. Again, only one side of the pair has a traced heart. Then, I sewed along the heart outline, leaving about 2 inches open so it can be turned inside out. I cut out the hearts approximately 1/4 inch from the seam, and I made little cuts along the curved edges of the heart that help the heart keep its shape when they are turned inside out. When turning the hearts inside out, you can use a chopstick or similar item to help flatten the edges. Once it's all flattened out, I tucked in the opening part to get it ready to be sewn closed. You can pin it if it's easier to prep for sewing. I then stitched the hole closed, making sure to backstitch each end to prevent it from opening up or unraveling. I make sure to cut all thread ends. Here is the finished product. Thank you so much for listening about my project. I hope you find this helpful and consider doing this for your project too.